Froggy! I don't think you catch frogs. Hair, stop getting caught. Please, please, please. It keeps getting caught in the hinge somehow of my glasses. Caterpie! I'm so sorry. Come back. There you go. Alright. Time to be an aura whore. $11. Oops. Oops. Okay, so that's the stagger bar. Is the orange one. These have to be something. They're so sus. Like, I can't stick my fist in it or anything. Ooh, like that. What is that? Fluffy and perfectly safe to touch. I don't believe you. Oh, okay. So this you could just hold down. That's nice. I need a shaft, please. I was gonna not stream tomorrow and do a bit of house cleaning, but I might have to cancel my plans to clean and instead stream. I know, it's really unfortunate. I know, it's like, wow. Given the option to stream a video game that you really like, or clean, like, I don't know how you could ever choose to stream instead, but, you know, I think that might just, I just might have to take that hit for the team. Oh, I got coal. I just need a crap load more copper. I need 9 more copper. But then really, I need like 15? 16? Math? I need 9 to make the furnace, and then I need 5. 14? Do the spin. Do the roar. I keep pressing R to reload. I've been playing friggin' Borderlands with Sensei and then playing Overwatch today, so it's like, yeah, press R. You gotta reload, Kate. It's been a while. Do the roar. Do people even get that reference still? That aren't our age? You can break the big rock? No. Okay, well, maybe, but I'm not gonna waste all my energy bar doing that. Hell to the no. Oh my goodness. I need a hole, please. There you go. Stop, press, and reload. Stop, press, and reload. There's nothing to reload. Why are you pressing reload? Oh, I should probably look for copper. Looking for copper so I can build a furnace. My health. I don't think I've ever, like, succumbed to injury in this. Usually I just run away before it gets to that point. All this rock. No ore. Ah. Yes, thank you. It is not going to be anywhere close to what I need, though. Unless there's other ones down here. Ooh, I really gotta be careful. I really need to be careful about what I'm doing here. I have, like, no... Just be enough to get this. I'm still good. I'm fine. This is fine. Yeah, I think it might be time to leave. This doesn't take energy though, right? So technically I could... Ah! Haha! Like, what if that was the one kill I needed to level? Okay. Now I'll get the fuck out of here. Before I, you know, die. Well, pass out, I guess. You can't die in this game. Yo, what if you can, though? A farming sim game, but it's rated R, or 18 plus. The hell was that? Those are some weird... That didn't sound like those monkeys. Or a cow. Okay, maybe that sounded like a cow. What am I overhearing? Should I be worried? Can I go into this hobbit hole? No. Now I kind of want a game like that, right? So, if there's ever an 18 plus farming sim game, I'm standing my ground in that I want and need it to have Red Dead aesthetics. Because if it's gonna be for adults, because it's gonna have, like, you know, death, murder, etc., then yeah, I want it, it should look like Red Dead. But rocks, or just rock. There we go. Yeah, it should look like Red Dead, but it should be like this sort of content. And like not even necessarily Western themed, just like that really nice graphics and like lots of open land and this is farming. But also like, have you guys seen Tommy lately? Like, yeah, actually Joe fucking ran him over with his turbine the other day or his combine the other day. You should have fucking seen it, man. It just went like, psh. You know? Sex, drugs, and rock and roll. And farming. You know? Where's that game? GTA and Red Dead, but it's an MMO, but it's all farming. We're getting there. Slowly. Palia is a farming game, but it's all online. He made such good fertilizer. Mulched the shit out of them. And like there's ranching sim. It's not too murder happy or anything. But it's, you know, it's... I think it just got an update because it's out on like, is it Unreal 5 or some shit? I don't know. Whatever. It got like the Arc treatment where they re-released an Arc map as Arc Survival Ascended. Oh, sure. Now I've got peonies. PSA, the lab is now looking for a suitable diving candidate. All applicants must conduct an on-site test for compatibility. Visit the diving pier for more information. No! No, I will. After I water my shit. Throw it. Just chuck the fucking water on there. Huck it, chuck it, farming. My leafy greens. It's gonna be really hard to not play this off stream. I can make a different save to play on not stream. It's like, yeah, how addicted am I to this game right now? Am I addicted enough to just say fuck it and make a whole ass other save so that I can keep playing even when I'm not streaming? But like also not like I don't want to play this save off stream. I need 3. I'm 3 short. FMA. FMA. I'll go to the diving pier though. Go visit Ling. Oh. It's the mayor. I think he's the mayor. I don't actually really know. Isn't that bad? Hey there, Shroomy. It's good to see you. I'm just heading to Raja's Coffee. Are you here to socialize? No. Yes, by the way, what's with yes and no? Nah, we'll be nice. I like Connor. Ah, the scene. It's easier if I show you. Arrows? Let's head to the community center and chat there. My coffee can wait. No, it can't. Some people need that morning coffee to poop. The large F. It stands for fucked. Didn't happen suddenly, though. This room used to be the pride and joy of our town, proudly displaying Starlet Town's A rank. An A, Shroomy. An A. Sometimes we got a B, but it was never an F. Until... I need to sit down to tell you what happened. Damn. He was just like, you should sit down before I tell you this. Some time ago. That's correct, Mayor. As usual, every season we start by looking at why people visit Starlet Town. Visitors come here to see your museum, heritage sites, and ocean. The town rank we award is based on the condition of these attractions at the time of review. Today, we are awarding Starlet Town with the rank of F. For fucked. Say what? Yeah. Hello. God. Prepare all necessary documents and equipment. Fucking Karen. I found the perfect location. That's her voice. That needs to be her voice. My name is Karen. I work for Perfect. Last year, an oil spill from a neighboring island made its way here and wreaked havoc. Everything went downhill from there. Karen was there at the town rank hearing. They've been watching us this whole time, those conniving pufferfish people. You heard what she said the other day at the new pufferfish building. Their plan to rescue us out is to rebrand Starlet Town as an oil town. Just the thought of abandoning our legacy, the museum, ocean, and heritage sites, it's hard to accept. On the other hand, thinking about our town going under is harder. Our town used to be good, Shermie. Great, even. Business was booming. The town was lively. I had a wife and kids. It was so good. And then our dog fucking died? I'm afraid that unless we can increase the town rank back to A and regain the trust of visitors, we'll have no choice but to work with pufferfish. Refilling the museum seems straightforward and achievable. It will just take time. But healing the sick heritage sites or getting rid of those stubborn roots in the ocean, where do we even start? How do we even start? Blow it up. I saw it in Borderlands. It's doable. Our town is in a difficult position. It's a lot to take in, I know. How about you join me for coffee? Though walk and fresh air will do us both good. I want coffee. I could go for a coffee. And a donut. I really want a sugar fix. Is everything alright? No, that fucking statue just started glowing and shit. Did you not see it? Nah, I'm just gonna lie. Cool. It's because my character is like, I don't know, man. I did a lot of drugs earlier. I'm not really sure if I saw what I saw or if it's just the drugs. Like, showcases your overall progress in revitalizing the town. Raise the town's rank by improving the Ocean Museum and Heritage. You mean the heritage sites? Never heard of them. Static. Ew, what is this in my hair? Oh god, that's just loose hair. That's more loose hair. How many strands of loose hair? Oh god. It's everywhere. Jesus Christ. I'm not looking forward to touching my hair when I end my stream because I'm just gonna like, it's just gonna be all hair in my hands. All hair. All the way down. Why do I keep coming this way? There's hair in my hair. I hate the loose hair in my hair. Because, like, everybody sheds. We all shed hair every day. Hello, Raj. What you doing, buddy? My hair gets sticky fast lately. I think that might be a typo. Kind of hate it. Is yours that way too? Yeah, literally was just complaining about it. I'm starting to feel like this game is being written as I play. Because first, I named my farm Good Vibes. And then I found Ben, who told me that I was like giving off good vibes. Just complaining about my hair, and now that guy's asking me if my hair is all sticky, icky. Fucking weird. Sus. Fucking sus. Hello there. I was just looking out to see. See what? But Ever since the oil spill, people have forgotten about the ocean. How do you forget about the ocean? It's literally right there. They still remember. It's just someone else's problem now. Someone else will fix it. Their concern is enough. It's a shame because we could still do something about it. There's still time. Plus, all the valuable kelp down there is going to waste. Shouldn't the kelp just stay in the water? Arg. Erg. Arg. Sorry to unload on you like that. Are you here because of the letter I sent? You sent a letter? What am I going to do? What am I going to do if this person doesn't work out either? Why? Everybody's initial judgment of my person is that I'm just gonna be shit. My name's Ling. I run the lab. Thanks for showing up. You're welcome. Even though you're giving me kind of like a shit attitude. Here's the deal. You need a diving suit to get... Is she single or is that really just like the... Oh, whatever. Anyway. You need a diving suit to get into the water and I need the right someone to activate my science down there. I'm taking that sentence and using it for sexual things because it sounds hilarious. I need someone to activate my science down there. For now, let's do an exchange. If you can activate 5 solar orbs, Brain, what are you doing? Orbs in the ocean, you can keep the diving suit. Is it a one-size-fits-all? Here's what a solar orb looks like. Okay. You want to bring your scythe to clear the trash because the orbs are most likely buried under it. If you're able to activate 1, let's assume something happens because something will. You'll have questions, I'm sure, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Whatever happens, know that the solar orbs are the key to restoring our ocean and healing the sick coral. Coral? Since I can't go to the ocean myself, you'll be accompanied by Kibble. The robot. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh god, I need like a little like I want something like like at least 4 inches tall, like a little collectible of this thing. Coral Island people, get on the horn with figurine makers. Because somebody wants a Kibble thing. Oh my god, the amount of hair I'm pulling out. Oh my god. This is what I get for not brushing it. I just kind of took it out of the bun today. Oh my Jesus, sorry. I had to deal with it. It was getting to be too much. Alright, you'll learn more about how it works when you're down there. When I'm figuring out your science down there. I'm so sorry. You know how it goes, I need to head back to my lab. Good luck! Thanks! My lips just... It's dry in here. Now, is this gonna be something like in Animal Crossing? That's one thing I didn't like about it, was you had to wear it in order to actually use it. F. So, like, says I just dive into the ocean. Die? Yes, please. Oh my god, I don't actually have to equip it. Beep bop. Ocean creatures might want... I don't know what he said. It went away. Heal the coral sites. So she said to just use a scythe. Ew. What a trashy ocean. Looks like trash. Ooh, I'm hungry. Well, when I need more trash, I know where to go. The ocean. Just like real life. I do love those companies out there, though. They're like, buy our XYZ product. It's made 100% out of trash we pulled out of the oceans. All right. You just say beep bop. Move anchor. Oh, right. Because this game is amazing like that. Where, I guess when you travel far away from the original anchor spawn, you can just press X and it'll drop the anchor where you are. And then the next time you come back down, like, it saves that new anchored spot. Trash we put into and then out of the ocean. Yes. It's blacked. What a cute little robot. Look at that. I cleaned it. I healed it. I do 5 of these. Jeez Louise. Oh. You can exit diving anytime by using anchor. Press X to call anchor. No. What is that? Oh, it's salt. I'm gonna just go ahead and take a guess and say I probably want to harvest the coral, or the kelp rather, when I see it. There's 2 shrines here. Damn, son. I got so much garbage now. I've never been so excited to have trash. See, this just makes me want to do the thing that I keep thinking of where I want to spend time on my scooter. Although now I should really have done this in the summer. To go out on my scooter and drive around town with a garbage bag and like a stick with a nail on the end or something to pick trash up. Because I'm very tired of seeing trash everywhere all the time. And it's so often junk food stuff, like a lot of Timmy's cups, McDonald's cups, Starbucks cups. The paper bags from people's burgers. Pick up your trash. Stop littering. That was a big chest. Damn, that chest was so big, I'm gonna call it Mark. Low stamina detected. No. Oh, come on. Well, I don't think I have anything to eat. Boo. Hell yes. Be gone, filth. I guess I'll drop anchor here. And then, oops, exit diving. Yes, please, because I keep clicking and I'm gonna pass out if I keep on clicking. What's this? A very ornate sculpture. It looks familiar. I want to see if these do work. You don't understand what it says. Well, alright. Here's your answer, fishbulb. Oh, gosh. Darn it, energy. Is that Betty? Does she mean me? I was foraging in the woodland earlier, and I think I gathered enough for dinner. I don't have anything to give her. Shit. Betty, wait. I don't even need to be at my farm. You don't even need to be at the farm. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so exciting to me. Oh, I could have just eaten the oyster. Oh, I can't go to the blacksmith. He's closed now, isn't he? He's open till 6. I can't make it there in time. Oh my god, you don't actually have to be on your freaking farm. Oh god. I love it. It's not to donate. I do, oops, need to put, what does that do? Ah, yes. I'll go donate this shit. Yeah, why not? I'm sorry, is this how I carry the lobster? Oh, I thought it was upside down. It's just all super desaturated looking because I'm, low on stamina. I'm pretty sure, god, I can't. That little girl is adorable and I fucking hate it. She's so fucking cute. Her little skip to my doodah thing she's doing, like everything. Her little dress. The kids in this game are freaking adorable. There you go. We're on our way. Oh my goodness. Dinosaur bone? But like, how does the dinosaur even look like it was cute? It has a giant head and a little body. Why is this game so cute? It's just so impossibly adorable. It really does look so good. I might have to actually make another save so that I can play this off stream and not, you know, deprive you folks. Go to bed. Go to bread. You didn't say whose bed. What? No skill ups. Spooky. Sneer? Yes. You hear a voice, but you can't make out what's being said. Shroomy. Try to focus on my voice. Good. Now listen closely. The sacred trees, please visit any one of them. Find them around the island. Oh. Ooh. They look like stinky trees, though. I don't know, man. Touch the tablet to summon them. Who's them? Do I really want to do that, though? It sounds scary. They will open your eye. Just one? You are my hope to heal the island. Now wake up and go!